Akon nzaalwa ya Amerika wabula nga bazadde be basibuka mu ggwanga lya Senegal yayingira mu ggwanga lya Uganda ku lunaku olwokutaano wiiki ewedde era ng'ono amaze mu ggwanga ennaku 3 mu kaseera kano kamaze agenze mu maaso n'okusisinkana bannaddiini abayimbi nga kw'otadde n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga lino Yoweri Kaguta Museveni gwe yayogerako naye n'ategeeza nga bw'ayagala okusiga ensimbi mu ggwanga lino. Olunaku lwa leero Akon ayogeddeko ne bannamawulire ku y'ofiisi y'omukulembeze w'eggwanga n'ayanjula enteekateeka ze zaalina eri Uganda.
Is to utilize all the resources that we built throughout the years and try to rebuild the country. Ultimately, the goal, the continent is our goal, to build the continent. It's going to take our generation to do what they need and utilize their responsibility to the future of Africa to take it to the place in which where it needs to go. We need to unite as a people to make this thing happen. Africa, whatever it takes. You know, I utilize my resources, my celebrity, my finances, my connections, knowledge, whatever it takes to get to that point, and want to partner with countries that want to see their country go to the next level and be something different for tomorrow. I believe that Uganda has the biggest potential in tourism throughout all of Africa. I've been everywhere in Africa, trust me, and I haven't seen potential like this. You know, ultimately, I want to also manage the expectations of things that we plan to do in Uganda. It is time. Things will take a little bit of time. We will do all the necessary studies to make sure that everything happens the right way and is done properly. If you think the city's going to happen within 1-2 years, it's not. It takes time to build buildings, let alone a whole city. So this is a long-term investment planning. We are looking to do it within now and the next 15 years for the full project to be finished.
Omuyimbi ono abalirwamu obukadde bwa $485 ategeezezza nga bw'ayagala okuzimba ekibuga ekigenda okubeeramu ebintu eby'enjawulo omuli amasomero, amalwaliro ssaako n'ekifo abantu we basobola okuyiga eby'amasanyu.
I know there's millions of entertainers here in Uganda that don't have access to proper recording studios, proper film studios. This we plan to provide within the city in the entertainment district. And then we have a district which is the medical district, which is a 10,000-bed hospital for the locals in case of any sicknesses.
Akon ng'ono awerekeddwako omukyala we Rosina Negusei basuubiza okugenda mu maaso n'okuteeka ensimbi mu kaweefube w'okuyambako bannayuganda okufuna emirimu.
As to how Uganda will benefit, we will be having some professionals that we plan to fly into Uganda that can train the locals. And I think one of the things that we miss out in major countries is the access of information. And we need to be properly trained, not only just in construction, but also management of the property and then maintenancing of the properties. So we want to make sure that every piece of every part of every sector is covered, but we want to be able to utilize and only utilize the locals, which is the Ugandans. But clearly, we need to make sure that the Ugandans are properly trained to properly do the jobs as well, too. So we want to be able to continue to provide more than enough jobs for the people in the surrounding areas. And then we get even deeper into the impact because the idea of each city, we will have an entertainment district.
Guno si gwe mulundi ogusoose nga Akon agenda mu maaso n'okuteekateeka ekibuga era mu ggwanga lye erya Senegal mu kaseera kano agenda mu maaso n'okuzimba ekibuga ekifaananako nga kino kyayagala okuzimba mu ggwanga lino nga wetwogerera kati gavumenti yamaze dda okuwa Akon ettaka eriri mu square mayiro emu okutuukiriza ekirooto kye. Hasif Sekiwunga ku lwa STV.